Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing whether affiliate marketing is really worth your time and effort. Affiliate marketing has been around for quite some time and is a popular way for bloggers, content creators, and influencers to earn money online. In this video, we will take a closer look at the pros and cons of affiliate marketing to help you decide whether it is worth pursuing. What is affiliate marketing? First, let's define affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where an individual promotes someone else's product or service, and earns a commission for each sale made through their unique affiliate link. The affiliate promotes the product or service through blog posts, social media, email marketing, and other channels. Pros of affiliate marketing. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you have created content promoting a product or service and placed your affiliate links, you can continue to earn commissions on any sales made through those links, even if you are not actively promoting the product. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it requires minimal investment to get started. You do not need to create your own product or service, and you do not need to invest in advertising. Instead, you can leverage your existing audience or network to promote products that align with your brand and values. Affiliate marketing also offers a lot of flexibility. You can promote products that align with your niche or interests, and you can choose how often you promote those products. You can also choose to promote products from multiple affiliate programs, which can diversify your income streams. Cons of affiliate marketing. While there are many advantages to affiliate marketing, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest challenges with affiliate marketing is that it can be difficult to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Many products have multiple affiliates promoting them, which can make it challenging to get your audience to click on your unique affiliate link. Another challenge with affiliate marketing is that it can take time to see results. You may need to build your audience or network before you can start earning significant commissions. Additionally, some affiliate programs may have strict requirements or quotas that you need to meet in order to maintain your affiliate status. Conclusion. So, is affiliate marketing worth your time and effort? The answer depends on your goals, skills, and resources. If you are willing to put in the time and effort to build your audience and promote products that align with your brand, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. However, if you are looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, affiliate marketing may not be the best option for you. In the end, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to focus on building relationships with your audience and promoting products that genuinely provide value. By doing so, you can earn commissions while also building trust and credibility with your audience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.